Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Gear Sport and I'm gonna show you how to install the apps on this device. First, we need to open the Galaxy Store on our watch. To do it, press the bottom button to open the app menu and here tap on Galaxy Apps. Now let's scroll down, select I agree to the terms and conditions, then tap next. And here we have categories like tap apps, tap watch faces, recommended. You can also tap on search right here at the top and type in different phrases to look for the apps. Well, I'm just gonna select top apps. And here we have list of apps we can install on a watch. For example, I'm gonna install timer. So let's tap on it, then tap on install button. Then tap the check mark to confirm. Now let's wait until the app is done installing. And after it's done installing, you can go back to the app menu. And here you can swipe left or right to go through the different pages. And on the last page we should have our timer right here. As you can see, we can tap on it to open it, like that. We can also use the phone app to install the app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on our phone. Here let's tap on Discover. Then you can tap on the banners here or tap on View More right here next to the, or rather under Top Watch apps. You just need to open basically Galaxy Store. Let's tap on View More. It's gonna bring you to the Galaxy Store right here. And now you can tap on this icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Here we can tap on apps and we have different categories. For example, I'm gonna select health and fitness, and here we have categories like all, free, paid, new. I'm gonna select free ones, find the app I want to install, for example this one. Let's tap on it. Here we have some information about the app, and to install it, tap on install button. Then tap on accept and download. And after the app is done installing, you can tap on open right here to open it. Or you can simply go to the app menu on your watch, go to the last page of the app menu, and here you should have your app. And you can tap on the icon to open it. And that's how you install the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.